What is Veterans Day honoring? A. All the soldiers who have passed away. B. All the soldiers who are currently in the U.S. military. C. Only veterans. Or D. Everyone who has served in the U.S. military. The answer is D. Everyone who has served in the U.S. military. According to military.com, Veterans Day was created in 1919 as Armistice Day to commemorate the end of World War I. It was renamed in 1954 to honor all of those who have served in the U.S. military.
Hi Gryphons, welcome back to ODTV and happy Monday. I'm here covering for Kara. Today we have some announcements and I hope you guys enjoyed the trivia that just happened. So let's get to it.
Hello Gryphons! Looking for a fun activity to do with your family and friends? Check out the Footloose Musical. You can get tickets by going to journeytheater.org and check out our Gryphon in the production.
Hi guys! Today we're going to be talking about the Lost and Found. So, first, did you know that before any breaks like winter break or Thanksgiving break, all of the Lost and Found stuff gets donated to like charities and other establishments? I really hope you know that, because if you didn't, you do now, so go get your stuff. Please, there is so much stuff, I beg of you, go get your stuff.
Let's all try to be kind to the lunch ladies, everyone. They work hard every day to get us our food and make sure we have something to eat. They are being nice to us and they deserve our respect and kindness in return. However, there are still reports of some people being mean to them, which is not fair. Remember, these lunch ladies are here to support us and make our lunch experience better. When we treat them kindly, it creates a positive atmosphere for everyone. So let's show our appreciation and be friendly.
Hey, are you looking for some books to add to a collection? The DHS library has got you covered. With a selection of free books, you can take one and share one without worrying about fees or due dates. Stop by the free library today to talk about your next great read.
Hi, I'm Claire Gordado, and today we will be interviewing 6th graders on how their first few weeks of school is going.
I chose Odyssey because it's a project-based school, and the other school that I could have went to is Skyridge. And the reason I went here is because it's a project-based school.
I chose Odyssey because I love making projects, and Liberty wasn't gonna give me that many projects.
I came to Odyssey because I wanted to learn new things and do challenging things for me, like being in crowded environments and working in groups, because I'm not good at those things, and so I wanted to get better at them.
So why I chose Odyssey is because mostly because it's project based.
What I hope is to accomplish is to get better at teamwork and working together, because it's a project-based school.
I'm hoping to accomplish to make a new goal and to learn more criteria than I thought I would this year.
I hope to accomplish working well in groups.
Looks like the 6th graders are having a great time this year. See you next time.
Let's celebrate with birthdays. Starting off with 6th grade, we have Otis B. sharing a birthday with Kylie Jenner, Anthony M. and Tom Felton, Dalton S. and Mahatma Gandhi. For 7th, we have Carson M. and Dave Chappelle, Rory B. and Maria Lopez, and Bailey C. and Sophia Loren. For 8th grade, we have Isla M. and Melissa McCarthy, Raphael B. and Will Smith, and Harley K. and Drake. That's all today, Gryphons. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I am.
Hi, I'm Lucas Coe, and I'm here with
Sophia Cook,
the ASB president. What have been some changes in learning in the 8th grade here at Discovery? Differences from learning in 7th grade at Odyssey Middle School?
I feel like it's opened up a lot more opportunities to get background knowledge from high schoolers and also to just get a wide amount of feedback from people higher up. And it's just easier to see what kind of cool projects they do at Discovery.
How's it been different learning at the Discovery building this year from learning at the Odyssey building where you have your own space?
It's been alright. I mean, I'm still kind of getting used to the new like classroom thing, and not just like open space.
The 8th graders have been adapting to the new building and figuring out the different environment in closed classrooms. Great job, 8th graders. Keep it up. What are some things you like about being in the new building with all the kids from your own space at Odyssey? What are some things you like being with everyone else?
Well, being in that building with everyone else, it's like I have some friends that are like, well, they would have been in like 8th grade last year, but then now they're in 9th grade. Like some of the web leaders, like my web leaders would be in high school now, so like it's kind of nice to see them in the same building, you know.
All right, thank you, Wyatt.
Yeah. Thank you for.
The 8th graders have been enjoying seeing the kids in Discovery and the shorter walks to lunch and electives, but it is a different environment because they don't get to see the other middle schoolers and they are across the building from them, and some are overwhelmed from the amount of students.
In what year was Odyssey founded? 2013, 2014, 2015, or 2016? And the answer is 2016. In 2016, the Odyssey building was bought from Sharp Industries and has now recently been moved over to the Discovery building.
Welcome, Odyssey Gryphons. Happy belated Halloween. I'm pleased to introduce you to our new ODTV segment, but before we start, we need your help. We would like to introduce our topic, the Song Tournament, where we will have 16 selected songs to compete for first place. These songs will be chosen by you and your peers across Odyssey Middle School. To get your response, we ask that you fill out this form and submit your favorite song. This form in particular can be found in your grade 7 classroom, but to fill out future forms, we ask that you join our ODTV social classroom. See you guys next time for our first competition.